Happy Monday, VV Nation. Welcome to the VectorVest channel. My name is Ryan. It's a great Monday to kick off 2026. Seeing a little bit of optimism in the markets today. So tonight's presentation is really going to focus in on one position in my 2026 portfolio going forward that's garnishing my attention and briefly started trading just below our valuation. Now we're going to take a look at this hot stock. The stock we're going to talk about tonight, NFLX, Netflix, a well-known name that's been trading at premiums. The stock was well over $130 at its high, now coming closer to our VectorVest valuations. So tonight's presentation, we will get rid of the noise and focus on our core proprietary indicators here at VectorVest to make sure we stay on the right side of the Netflix trade. We're in the VectorVest software, taking a look at Netflix. We're just going to break this down from left to right so we've got a full, clear picture of Netflix itself. Now the symbol, NFLX. The first column I have here is value divided by price. We want to see if we're getting a fair value on a position. So we take price action, compare it to our intrinsic value. No, this is not a price target, just what we currently feel the stock is worth. The ratio, 1.00. Right now, you are getting a fair value on Netflix from a fundamental standpoint. Right now, we are seeing a little bit of optimism and price action today. However, the sell recommendation is on. If we notice here, our proprietary indicators, RV to VST, these are on a scale 0 to 2. Above 1 is favorable, below 1 is unfavorable. Right now, our only technical indicator here, RT relative timing, looking at the short-term price trend, showing unfavor and favoritism for the bulls. We'll look at the chart in just a moment, but the stock is in a descending channel. So buying right now would be aggressive, but looking at the fundamentals here, RV and RS, favorable ratings. RV looks at long-term price appreciation potential, while RS simply an indicator of risk. Favorable ratings fundamentally. Technicals, the stock is under pressure. Sell recommendation is given right now as I scroll over to the right. Looking at the forecasted data, sales growth rate 19%, and as well the earnings growth rate coming in at 21%. So let's look at the stock chart and see what opportunities might just be on the horizon when it comes to this position. If you found yourself frustrated in 2025 with your portfolio results and you want to enhance those, potentially making them better in 2026, give VectorVest a shot. And for right now, 99 cents. Just go to vectorvest.com/YT to take advantage of this limited time offer. Now here's the chart of Netflix. I do have candlesticks here. The blue line represents our stop price. That's when our sell recommendation would be given. We can see the first sell recommendation coming into Netflix back on November 21st. Price action was still over $100. Right now, currently trading at $91.76. Price action also broke this red line, being the 200-day moving average. But what I want to focus on is our valuation. We see value of Netflix from the VectorVest software is growing, but look at the stock. It's been trading at a premium right now. RT relative timing let us know that there's some technical opportunities, momentum to be had, but a lot of that momentum to the downside confirmed when RT dropped back below 1 at 0.9 on July 22nd, 2025. Price action has been under pressure. I've been talking about this over the last few weeks. Our valuation, powerful indicator here at VectorVest. We see price action greatly overvalued compared to our valuation. Technicals not in favor of the bulls. And now look at price action, right on par with our valuation. Now, the company we did see with RV and RS having strong fundamentals, but also look at the earnings. This is forecasted earnings per share, nice steady step fashion to the upside over the last year. Now, as I zoom into Netflix to a 3-month time span, you can see we're still in the descending channel. So it would be rather aggressive to get in right now based on the technicals. But as far as valuation, as long as price action stays in this descending channel and price pressure is on with we could be getting Netflix undervalued here in the near future. Now, this morning and Friday's close next to session lows did put price action just below our valuation. So this is on my radar currently to fill up in the 2026 portfolio. Now, I did make my initial purchase on Netflix on December 19th. You see the position down about 3% since I opened up that position. Now, the position, it's going to be closer to $10,000 in my VectorVest 2026 portfolio. Right now, I've only filled up about half of that position. So we'll see if this weakness in the descending channel can open up better opportunities when it comes to Netflix. Now, I only have till the end of next week to fill this position. So we'll have to take an aggressive approach for this 2026 pick. So please don't make financial decisions based off of that. But with price action coming from the 130s now to our valuation and Netflix trading at a fair value, that's exactly why I think it should be on your radar in 2026. Now, if you found this video informative, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel and found potential with information I gave you, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys tomorrow evening. Good night.
Yeah.